Here is Post Money app to send cash fast. Yeah, this is a popular app in some niches. However, of course, it's not competing with MoneyGram or some Western Union or these gigantic apps. It's just like a small niche app, and then you can just open it up. And to create an account, you can see that it's only available for few countries. So basically, that's where it's popular, like Belarus, Bolivia, Canada, Finland, Guatemala, India, Panama, Poland, Ukraine, United States. So that's where you can use it. It's not possible to use this app outside of these countries, unfortunately. So yeah, as you can see, that's where you can use it. So you can use to send money in US or in Canada, but honestly, I think maybe MoneyGram or something like that can be cheaper. But yeah, there you have it. So just create an account with one of those countries.